meus amores, tudo bem com vocês? Espero muito, muito mesmo que sim, por aqui está tudo certo, graças a Deus. Começando mais um vídeo novo aqui no canal, então se você é novo ou nova por aqui, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais um vídeo. E no vídeo de hoje, amores, vou dar uma faxina aqui no quarto, né, organizar, porque tem muita coisa fora do lugar, tem muitas roupas também para dobrar, né. Então eu vou dar uma organização aqui. Hoje só vai ser o quarto mesmo, né? E depois eu vou pegar a cozinha, mas não vai ser nesse vídeo de hoje, tá bom? Então já convido vocês a deixar o likezinho, se inscrever aqui no canal se for novo por aqui e também ativar o sininho de notificações para vocês não perderem nenhum vídeo. Vou deixar meu Instagram passando aqui na telinha para vocês e o link lá na descrição do vídeo também. Então bora lá acompanhar esse vídeo. Bom, gente, eu vou mostrar aqui a realidade de como tá o quarto, né? Aqui, ó, é o varalzinho de chão, que tá cheio de roupa, né? Que eu lavei roupa durante a semana. Por aqui tá mais de 15 dias, né? Que o tempo tá fechado, chovendo bastante, né? Hoje, por exemplo, o tempo tá fechado. Não choveu ainda, mas tá fechado. Então, eu tô lavando roupa, assim, durante a semana antes de ir trabalhar. Aí eu boto no varal e boto dentro de casa, né? Então, tem bastante roupa aqui pra dobrar, guardar. Já vou começar pelas roupas. Vou trocar essa roupa de cama aqui. O chão, ó, tá bem sujo. Aí aqui o banheiro também, ó, já tirei os tapetes. Deixa eu acender a luz. Já tirei os tapetes daqui. Já coloquei pra lavar, ó. Tá precisando dar uma boa caprichada aqui no chão também. E é isso, amores. Ó, gente, por aqui, ó, o tempo tá assim, ó, fechado. Aí aqui eu botei umas roupas brancas já na corda, né, que é o uniforme do meu marido. Aí eu botei algumas roupas pra bater. Pelo menos hoje tá ventando, gente, mas no decorrer da semana aí nem ventando tava bem fechado mesmo. A varanda aqui tá ok, tá limpinha, né, que eu lavei ontem à noite. A minha plantinha tá aqui, ó, gente, coisa mais fofa. E é isso, vou dobrar as roupas e organizar logo aqui o quarto.
Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been months since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming. Another night staring at the ceiling. You deserve to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. Admit that I ignored it. You deserve to be alone. You deserve to be alone. into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Ooh, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I'll align higher. I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. Ooh, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I know I can be her. I'm the one who gets to be her. I see the signs that I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Never lie. I stay in my high. Let the world follow behind. I know it's on how I make my mind. I'm the one who gets to decide. No, I'll never lie. Oh, I stay in my high. Oh, staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what
Gente, antes de jogar água lá no chão lá, eu vou dar uma limpada logo aqui por fora, na janela, ó, aqui, ó, só. Vou limpar tudinho aqui e também vou aproveitar e lavar aqui o meu ventilador, gente, porque a situação tá feia, olha só. A condição disso, não tem como, né? Tá com muita poeira, então já vou aproveitar, lavar logo aqui e colocar pra secar.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been
Bom, gente, lavei aqui todas as peças do ventilador, né? Vou deixar secar aqui, enquanto isso eu agilizo lá dentro. Pensa no ventilador podre, tava sujo, gente, bastante poeira, olha. Pensei que não tava tão sujo assim, né? Mas hoje eu dei um trato nele.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
a brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line.
Bom, gente, finalizei aqui a nossa faxina e olha só para esse resultado. Olha só, gente, como é que ficou o chão bem branquinho. O chão tá bem brilhoso, né? Que delícia, né? Ver tudo organizado, com cheirinho de limpeza no ar. Isso não tem preço, né? Fiz uma caminha posta, bem linda, gente. Tá bem aconchegante. Aqui, ó, organizei, limpei tudinho, porque aqui em cima tava só misericórdia, tudo desorganizado. Coloquei aqui um tapetinho limpo. Olha que sensação gostosa, gente. Eu amo ver minha cama assim arrumadinha. Aqui o banheiro também tá bem limpinho. Dei uma caprichada nele aqui. Coloquei tapetinho limpo também. Organizei ali os produtinhos. Bem limpinho, né? Aí aqui é outra visão do quarto. Ali tá a minha ring line, né? Ali perto da porta tá a minha vassoura, meu rodo, que eu já vou descer, vou deixar lá embaixo. E ó, aqui, ó. Tudo limpinho, armadinho, organizado, tudo cheirosinho por aqui. E esse foi o resultado da nossa faxina. Espero muito que vocês tenham gostado da faxina de hoje, do vídeo de hoje. E é isso. Bom, meus amores, vou aproveitar para finalizar o vídeo aqui com vocês. Espero muito que vocês tenham gostado do vídeo de hoje. Não esquece de deixar bastante like, se inscrever aqui no canal se for novo por aqui. E também ativar o sininho de notificação para vocês não perderem nenhum vídeo. Um super beijo, fiquem todos com Deus, até o nosso próximo vídeo. Tchau!